Have you ever written the same line of code like 5 times in a row and thought, there has to be a better way? Good news, there is, it's called loops, and they're your best friend when you want to do something again and again and again without breaking your keyboard or your soul. Today we'll talk about 3 types of loops, for, while and do while, plus how to break out of them before they destroy everything. Let's go. Last time we talked about conditions, if, else, all that. You learned how to make your code react to stuff. Now it's time to make it repeat, and not just once, but as many times as it takes. For loops are great when you know how many times you want something to run. Start at 1, keep going while I is lesser or equal to 5. Add 1 each time. This is the loop equivalent of setting a timer. You know when it starts, when it ends, and what happens in between. While loops are better when you don't know exactly how long it'll go. It just keeps going until the condition is false. This makes it great for user input, game logic, or anything slightly chaotic. We did a similar example with the while loop and the for loop, but while loops are better for other scenarios. Like say accidentally writing an infinite loop that crashes your server and burns your job to the ground. Super fun stuff, 10 out of 10, would recommend. The do while loop is the wild card. It always runs at least once, even if the condition is false from the start. Useful when you want to ask something at least once, like a menu or retry logic, even if the loop ends immediately. And honestly, I don't see it used much. I don't see it used at all. Who does use it? Probably 10x devs, the chosen ones, the blessed elite. Doing while whiling. Now let's get fancy and learn more words, so you can tell your parents what you learned today. Just like first grade. Let's start with break. It stops the loop cold, like boom, loop gone. Just shoot him down, no mercy. Then we've got continue. Sounds peaceful, but nah. It just skips the rest of the current loop and jumps straight to the next one. Like a kid skipping leg day. Are you a kid? Don't skip leg day. This loop skips 3 and stops at 5. Why? Because sometimes your logic changes mid-flight. And because you can. Loops are the backbone of repetition. Whether you're building a game, checking inputs, or just doing something again and again. You'll use them constantly. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Like loops, keep repeating and watch your skills level up. I'll see you.